In today's video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite features on the Next and Eco model presses. I try not to make these personal, but I can't help it. This is every press operator's dream. So let's get right into it. So what I'm going to do is to do my test print, I'm going to go into manual commands, which will open up all these arrows here, which are your fetch palette arrows. So I'm going to send my test print over to print head 1. Then I'm going to push the button and it will print automatically from pushing that button. I have it set at 2 strokes for my underbase. Once it's complete, I'll go ahead and push the same buttons and send it to my flash. Then I can flash it from the command as well. From here, it's going to flash. Once that flash cycle is completed, I'm going to send it over to my second color. Then I'm going to print it from there. And then I'll push the same arrows and bring it right back to me. Check this out. Test print complete without ever having to leave my spot.